Hi folks, how's it going? In a wee minute, I'm going to tell you how Kangacoach works. Now I ken that often you all feel offy doon. You dinna ken something, you're needing some help. You're recht anxious to learn something, but you just dinna ken who to get started. Well, I might just have the answer right here. It's time for you to take a keek at Kangacoach. Here you'll find coaches for every topic you'll ever need. Now it might be extra tuition, languages, job-related stuff, your life, your hobby. Here you'll find an excellent coach, and it doesn't matter what you need. Pick one that suits you and book an hour, and it will not cost you a fortune. Your coach helps you for 55 long minutes. All your questions will get answered, and you'll get personal advice as well. You'll get all sort of things explained to you, and even join in with a wee bit of training. After just 1 hour, you'll definitely make a big leap for it. And you ken what? You'll feel pure dead brilliant if you finally ken more than you did afore, or you're able to do something new. Look, all the best. Hey, a lot of fun and success on Kangacoach. So, cheerio for now. We'll see each other on Kangacoach.